What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in a Nissan Titan remote key fob. Both of these key fobs are going to work on the Titan, the only difference being one has the remote start button and one does not. It's going to be the exact same battery change procedure either way, no matter which one you have. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. And the other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the key will slide out like that. Once we have that key out, I'm going to grab my screwdriver. I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down and then take a look at the bottom of it. We can see there's this notch right here, and then there's another one just like it on this side. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, push it in that notch, and then while keeping some pressure pushing the screwdriver in, I'm just going to twist like I'm opening a lock with a key. Come over here and do the same thing. As I do that, you can see it's starting to open the case. Go ahead and pull the key fob the rest of the way apart like that. In the back half of our case, we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of it and pop it out of that little holder. Once we get our old battery out, I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first down here that's near that metal battery clip. So tuck that edge in first and then snap the battery down into place. Then we can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.